Tulog pa si Hiroko. It's Wednesday, 22nd of May, and it's the day before my colonoscopy appointment, and I'm now on clear liquid diet. So this is gonna be one of my longest days sa kabukas. Ilalabas ko yung aking gelatin sa fridge para hindi siya masyadong malamig mamaya kapag kinain ko. Walang lasa ang aking gelatin. It's tasteless. No kanin, no ulam for today, Mama. I'm happier now with my gelatin. Bakit ba hindi ko naisip kagabi? Sana, nilagyan ko ng apple juice. Sana apple juice ang ginamit ko. Masarap na. Pinuntahan namin ni Mudra yung location ng appointment ko for tomorrow. So, para sigurado na andyan sila. It's the right place. Let's go home na, Mudra. Kasi, lesson learned last time. Remember yung video, Taglish vlog with Mudra's appointment? Nagpunta kami sa appointment niya, and you know what? Once we got there, it's closed. There's a paper tape on the door, and it says, we're on our new location, and here is the address, blah, 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 blah. Hindi man lang sila tumawag, so lesson learned on that, making sure that we're on the right place. Uwian na. 3:55 and it's about time. 5 more minutes and I have to start taking this now. Grabe, ang dami. So, I have to take about 8 cups and a half ngayon. And tomorrow, I have to take the rest, which is the half.
Meron akong
Alog. You wanna taste it, Mama?
tapos na ako dyan.
Here goes the first cup. Kakaubos ko lang ng first cup ko. It's now 4:05 p.m. So, ang inom ko, kailangan kong inumin ito ng kada 10 minuto, every 10 minutes. Alas 8 pasado na, and this is my last for tonight. Pang-8. Mahirap ubusin. Hindi ko nasunod yung guide nila na I should drink it every 10 minutes. Kasi, habang tumatagal, nakakasuka. Right, baby? Right, baby? Baby? Are you gonna go help tita? Help tita? Ang pogi naman ng bo. It's 7 a.m. It's my appointment day. And I get up early because I have to take the rest of the laxative. And I asked Dad to take it out. I asked Dad to take it out of the fridge because he wakes up early, like 4 a.m. So I asked him to take it out. Kasi, as much as I can, I don't want to take it like cold. Well, it's still cold though. Kasi, cold foods and cold drinks are my asthma trigger. So I'm just worried about that. But we have to take it. At kailangan ko itong ubusin by 10:30. And mas mahirap ngayon because I have to take it without tea, without water, or any other clear liquids. At kahapon halos masuka-suka na ako. So, what's more today, 'di ba? So, I better start taking it. Here's my first cup for today. It's still cold. I just hope I'm not looking for trouble. I just took a minute break. There's more. It's 7:14 and I just finished my first cup. Dadalhin ko na lang to sa kwarto, side ng bed, and it's also gonna be closer to the restroom, sa banyo. It's 15 minutes to 10 at ito na ang aking huling tasa.
It's Taglish meeting Kaise.
Ooh.
Finished with a losing record this time. What a turnaround from his 12-match winning performance in Bahay.
Ubus na.
It's been a good
Pray.
experience for Taglish fighting
Naubos ko bago mag alas 10 and I should be done by 10:30.
Taglish comes in hard. Kaise stops his
Saka isa pa, surprisingly, hindi ako nasuka. Hindi ko naramdaman na nasusuka ako. And ang ginawa ko kagabi, nanood ako ng mga colonoscopy prep videos sa YouTube at sabi nila it's a lot better kapag malamig yung laxative, and totoo nga, hindi ko naramdaman na nasusuka ako. So, that's true. It's 10 o'clock. Ang appointment ko ay 12:30, so I'm just gonna stay in bed, watch TV hanggang sa oras na para umalis. Hindi ako pwedeng kumain, hindi pwedeng uminom, not until after my appointment. And eksaktong 10:05 na ng umaga. So, 30 more minutes at buong isang araw na akong walang solid foods. Why am I vlogging this after not vlogging for like months? I just wanna put my colonoscopy prep on record, so naisip ko, bakit hindi ko i-vlog? And I'm gonna be vlogging this for myself. So, one thing hindi ko pa sigurado is kung ipapublish ko to sa YouTube ng private or public. So, if napanood nyo tong video to, that means pinili ko na ipublic itong colonoscopy prep ko. And kung papansin nyo, Taglish vlog. But kung mapapansin nyo, I've been speaking a lot in English. That is because, again, I just wanna put my colonoscopy prep on vlog. And when I spend less time editing the video, because for every Tagalog word that I speak, that means I have to post the video every time and write the subtitles. So, I just want to spend less time editing the video, putting the subtitles, because I spend hours on it. So, ayun lang. With the prep, hindi ko nasunod yung drink 1 cup every 10 hours because it's like 3 or 4 more minutes before I take the next cup, and I need to use the banyo. And once I'm done on the banyo, I'm about to take the next cup, I need to go back on the restroom So, hindi ko nasusunod talaga yung taking the next cup every 10 minutes. Usually, it's like I'm taking 12 minutes, 15 minutes in between. Andito na kami sa location. So, pagdating ko dito, naghintay pa ako kasi there's no bed. Then they called me. I'm all done and just waiting for mom to pick me up.
An appointment to come in the office and then shoot some rubber bands to get rid of them, okay?
You, all right? Now, I just need you to sign for me right here. And you're just signing that I gave you the discharge instructions. And this is exactly what you have right there, okay?
Uber pala.
Going home.
Bye. Okay.
Thank you, Ted. Thank you po. So, Mama is the driver. Yeah. Bahay na kami ni Mudra. I'm just happy to have my water and my soft drink. How was it? Kumusta naman? Ang appointment ko ay 12:30, but they're busy. So, ang tagal ko rin nag-intay for my turn, and it's about 2 o'clock, mga 1:50 ng hapon. When they already brought my bed on the doctor's office. Basta yung kwartong yun, that room where they have to do the thing. And the doctor, technician, isang RN, and another nurse, a girl, because the doctor, there's three guys on the room. Yung isa ay nurse. So, tapos, the guy put something on my IV. He didn't say anything, but I know what that is. And then few, like less than a minute or something, and he said, "Are you dizzy?" And I said, "Yes." "Well, don't fight it." So, I don't wanna like feel a lot more dizzy, so I just closed my eyes. So, the doctor just started doing what he's about to do, and I can see the screen on my right side kasi nakaganyan ako sa kanan ko. Dito yung like monitor. So my eyes are closed. Siguro akala nila tulog ako, and I could feel it, and tinitiis ko yung nararamdaman ko, but I can't. It's painful. So I said, "Ow, it hurts." I'm sedated, but I'm awake. And then another one, I can feel it again. Nararamdaman ko na naman, masakit. And again, I said, "It hurt." After that, like a few more minutes, and I can feel that they're moving my bed outside along with the other pasyente. And they're taking off my IV na on my arm, etc., etc., etc. And I get to change on my clothes. And before I know it, nakaupo na ako doon, and the nurse said, she's going to call Mudra. And Mudra got in. Kinausap lang kami ng doktor. So, nothing serious. They just have to do something for my... Do I have to say it? But, yeah, well, since I'm doing this colonoscopy video thing, yeah, Almoranas, and the doctor's going to take care of it, I have to go back in his office sa June 11. Yun lang. Right now, I'm ready for some bed, more water, juice, and syempre food. Wrapping up my colonoscopy prep and my appointment day, I am happy I was done with it. I was scared, but it's more like I was nervous. That was my first, and I've never been sedated before. And one thing I learned is that it is a lot better taking the laxative chilled. That I didn't do because I was afraid to take it chilled. Cold foods and cold drinks are my asthma triggers, so I didn't put it in the fridge. And on my 4th cup and my 5th cup, I was already having a hard time taking it. It feels like I was about to puke. So I've been sipping apple juice, water, and coffee in between just to help me with that. And I was so glad when I finished the 8 cups.